Hey guys, it's Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, it's really dark outside. It's actually really late. The kids are asleep and everyone's in bed. But today I'm going to be organizing their arts and craft bins and homework bins. It's gotten really messy over the year and it's definitely time to get it organized because school's about to start very, very soon. So I'm going to show you guys the before and after. Let's get started. So this is where I store all their art supplies, homework supplies, and all their school stuff here. And this is actually like a roll-in storage cart that I bought from the marketplace on Facebook. I got it for $10. And as you guys can tell, it is full of stuff and it definitely needs to get decluttered and reorganized. So I'm going to show you guys what's inside each and every drawer. We're going to start with the top drawer here. In here we have some paintbrushes, some paint, some more paint. We have some art projects that we got from the Dollar Tree and just got left here. We have some scissors back there, some more paintbrushes, and more paintbrushes. So this looks like this was like the paint drawer, but everything just got discombobulated. In here we have some arts and crafts stuff. We have some colored pencils, markers, tape, scissors, erasers, stamps, you name it. So this definitely needs to get organized as well. In this drawer has basically the same thing as the top drawer, and it has bubbles, more tape, more pencils. So that's what that drawer is looking like. Over here, this one looks pretty organized. This is where all the coloring books at. That's where I'm probably just gonna keep it because it stayed that way, so that looks good. And then in here, it looks like we have some more coloring crayons, more crayons. I actually bought this stuff this year and I just kind of just threw it in here because I didn't know where to put it. So we're gonna find a home for all this stuff. And in this drawer, it looks like we have a lot of homework stuff that we did last year, and I definitely need to declutter all this stuff so I can put in some new stuff that's coming in this year. And in this drawer, we have some more homework stuff, some beads, some counting blocks, so this definitely needs to get organized as well. And then in this last drawer, we have some more beads, popsicle sticks, some glue sticks, some folders, some tape. So I'm just so excited, you guys, to organize this whole thing and make everything look fresh again. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to empty the drawers by taking everything out of them. You guys, I did not realize how many things we had in these drawers until I saw everything on the table. It was crazy.
Change the way I love it. Maybe if I try to fix this, start this.
So I took everything out the drawers and I laid everything out in front of me so I can see everything that I have, so I can assess everything, and this will make the decluttering and organizing process so much easier. The next step that I'm going to do, I'm going to clean out these drawers. I'm going to use my multi-surface cleaner from Mrs. Meyer's, the peony set with my microfiber cloths. I'm going to clean everything out before I put everything back in. If you guys have not tried any of the Mrs. Meyer's products and you guys don't know what you're missing, their cleaning products smell so amazing, and they use these natural products that are good for you and your family. I'll make sure to put a link under my description just in case anyone is interested.
Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to this battleground.
Organizing these bins was so stinking satisfying. I cannot wait to organize more things around my house.
The same old thoughts be my
So it is the next day, as you guys can tell, but I was able to declutter and organize all these drawers, which I'm so excited about. Before I show you guys the final result, I am going to use some labels. I'm going to use these chalkboard labels that I got, and I'm going to use this chalk marker, and I'm going to label everything so I know what's what.
Like I'm better off with
I got my chalk labels and chalk marker from Amazon. I'll make sure to put a link down below just in case anybody wants to check it out.
hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better.
You guys, I think I have a thing for labels. They're probably my favorite organizational tool because not only do they look pretty, but they're also practical and helpful for finding what I need.
Like I'm better off with
So I bought these pencil cases from the Dollar Tree, and I'm thinking to put in like the pencils, crayons, and probably like the erasers and sharpeners right in here. So that's what we're gonna do next. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create some homework caddies, and I got these tote caddies from the Dollar Tree, and I originally got 3 because I wanted Josiah to be a part of this, but he does not want to partake in it. He thinks he's too cool for it, and he told me to put everything in his drawer, which I totally understand. He's going through that teenage phase, so that's what we're going to do next.
You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Baby. Baby.
I love how these homework caddies came out. They look so cute, and this will definitely make the homework process a lot easier once they start getting homework. So I took everything out the box, and I put the scissors over here, the crayons, markers, glue, and colored pencils, and then their composition notebook. And I'm probably gonna put like a little cup here to separate the pencils so they don't go flying everywhere. I'm gonna label these homework caddies so the girls knows whose is whose. I'm gonna use these labels that I got from the dollar spot at Target, and I'm also gonna use the same chalk marker.
You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
You guys, the things we do for our kids. I am so tired and exhausted and I have to get ready for work, but I'm so excited how everything turned out. This is definitely gonna make the school year a lot easier, and whenever they ask for tape, scissors, or crayons, I wanna point them to the right direction and they can read the labels. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks now. So I'm going to be putting their homework caddies right on top of the drawers. And over here we have the paints and supplies. I don't know if you guys remember what it looked like before, but I took a lot of things out and it definitely looks a lot more organized. They have the kids' brushes here, and these are my brushes. And I just have one thing of paint up here. So that's the paint and supplies. And in this drawer we have the school supplies. We have some permanent markers, some dry erase markers, some color pencils, lots of tape, highlighters, and pens. And in this drawer, we have all the coloring books. I pretty much kept this the same. I just clean up the drawers and put the coloring books right back in. And in here, we have more school supplies. I have all the crayons in here, the pencils, and then some miscellaneous items like the sharpeners, erasers, and some stamps. And this is going to be Josiah's drawer. This will be all the things that he's going to need for high school. And if he needs more supplies, we're definitely going to fill this up for him. And then down here, we have Isabella's drawer. Last year, she made all these books, and she loves reading this to help with her sight words. And then she has some more workbooks down here as well. And then right below hers is Melanie's, and Melanie has a lot of her ABC stuff, and she's learning how to write her name, and she has some counting blocks and some more workbooks as well. So whenever the kids don't have any homeworks, this is what we go to. And the last drawer that we have is the extra school supplies. And here we have some extra arts and crafts items that the girls don't use all the time, but if they need it, they know where to find it. We have some notebooks, some crayons, pencil boxes, glue sticks, book covers, you name it. If they need some extra items that they don't have in their drawer, they can definitely come get it here. I love how everything turned out. It's definitely gonna make the school year a lot easier for the kids, and they're gonna know where to find items and where to put them back. Do you like it?
Yeah, this is my purple one.
I hope this video motivates you guys to organize your arts and crafts area, your homework area for the upcoming school year. I had so much fun doing it, and I'm so happy with the final results. If you guys love organizing, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe. It's totally free, and so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!